Hi friends, Chef Kay here from Kitchen Little, and I'm going to start off our We Read Wednesdays with a favorite from last semester, Love Monster and the Last Chocolate by Rachel Wright. Let's see what Murray's been up to. This monster, hello Love Monster, was just getting back from his vacation, and although it was a little bit exciting to be home, he was sad to leave his adventures behind him. But wait! What's this? A box of chocolates? Just sitting there, waiting to be found? Love Monster couldn't believe it. You see, everybody knows that monsters seriously love chocolate, especially this monster. His mouth started to water, just thinking about what could be inside. Perhaps there'd be a peanut butter crunch, or even an extra Fizzbanger sherbet, or maybe, just maybe, a double chocolate strawberry swirl, Love Monster's absolute favorite. But then he had a thought that he just couldn't unthink. He should probably share the chocolates with his friends. But what if there wasn't enough? Oh no. Or what if someone took the one that he wanted the most? Or worst of all, what if the only one left for him was the coffee one? Ew! Everybody knows that monsters do not like the coffee ones, especially this monster. Yuck. Well, I'm sorry to tell you that after thinking all of these thoughts, Love Monster decided that it'd be safer and kinder and better for everyone if he just kept the chocolates just for himself. So he went into his house, and so did the box of chocolates, without a whisper of a word to anyone. Love Monster couldn't wait. Oh, how his mouth watered. But just as he went to lift the lid, he had a sort of queasy, squeezy feeling in his heart. It was the feeling a monster gets when he knows he is about to do something that he shouldn't. And before you could say, "Pass me the truffle surprise," he burst out of his house and ran as fast as his legs could carry him to find his friends. And when he did, in a very out-of-breath and a bit of a shouty voice, he said, "I got back from my vacation and I found some chocolates and I was going to keep them all to myself, but then I realized I wanted to share them with you and I don't want a single one." Well, maybe one. And do you know what his friends said? "Silly monster, just open the box." There's a note. "To Love Monster Murray, we missed you so much. We saved you our last chocolate, your favorite, because you're our favorite monster." You see, sometimes it's when you stop to think of others that you start to find out just how much they think of you. The end. Thanks, friends, and we'll see you on our next We Read Wednesday.